Hello, welcome back to the video. Today, we are growing the tallest fruit in the world. Right? Am I right? Okay, let's go. If we grow the biggest fruit, we need our sprinkler. Let's find our sprinkler. Okay. Ooh, sprinkler. Yeah, sprinkler. What fruit do we need to grow? Let's try the bamboo tree. Okay. I have 1,336 bamboo. Let's try it. What? Let's put the finger. That's why we don't need the mustard. Wow, your biggest fruit, man. Okay. Yeah. How about pumpkin? Okay, we plant some pumpkin. Let's see if we can grow the biggest pumpkin in the world. This bamboo is not exciting. Let's destroy it. Okay, I destroy all of my bamboo. So let's see if we can grow the biggest pumpkin. I don't know if we can. Oh yeah, I forgot. We have only 10 minutes to do it. So, go fast. Go is helping you. I got this. Is this big? I don't know. Hey, Gian! Time is up! Let's go to the middle. Do you grow the biggest fruit? Yes! Let me see. You first. Stop joking, man.
This is the job.
Let me see the true masterpiece. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Then.
Wow, you have the biggest bamboo. Oh my god! Look at it. Okay, time for mine pumpkin.
Mamma mia, pizzeria.
Comment down below who has the biggest pumpkin or what's the biggest fruit.
Yeah, shut up.
And bye. Bye.